Welcome to Agenter. Let's discuss what is an item and how to create an item in AgenterBooks. Item is nothing but the product or services that you sell to your customer. In this video, we will learn how to create an item in AgenterBooks. First, you will have to configure the item settings. Go to Settings, then you will find Item Settings. Choose Default Item Type. Set a decimal rate for your item quantity. Then, enable or disable the feature that you want to configure in the item module. Then save it. If your item have categories and subcategories, add it here. Then save the category. To create new item, click Add New Item button. Check the item type, whether goods or services. Type the name of the item. Enter the item code. Choose your item category. Upload the image of your item. If you want to get the sales and purchase information in various reports and forms, enable this checkbox. Enter the selling price. Select sales account. If you want to get the purchase information, enable this checkbox. Enter purchase price. Choose purchase account. If you want to track the movement of your inventory and want to get the various inventory reports, we need to tick the Track Inventory checkbox and fill up the necessary details. If you already have stock of the product in your hand, enable this checkbox. Enter stock quantity and unit price. Add additional information if you want. After entering all the necessary details, click Save. This is how you create an item in AgenterBooks. However, if you want to edit this item, you can click Edit button here and update the details. For more information, please visit Help or FAQ page.